Let's create the first exercise in CATIA V5. In this video, you'll learn to use pad and pocket. So open the CATIA V5 and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the right plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we'll make, we will create these three lines here. This line here has 8 millimeters. This one 25. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the right plane. And here select profile. Click here in the midpoint. Make this sketch here. Okay. And activate the constraint to make the dimensions here. The distance here 8 millimeters and here 25. Okay. And now we will create these four lines here. These three lines, sorry. And we know that this line here has 100 millimeters and this one has 25. So select profile again, click here in this point, make a line here, and another line here. And go to constraints, double click here, and the distance here 100 millimeters, and the distance here 25. Okay, and now leave the sketch. And we need to extrude this, and we need to extrude this 50 millimeters. So to extrude this, we'll go to pad, and the length here is 50 millimeters. Or you can select the mirrored extend, and here 25 millimeters to make this symmetric, okay, and the right plane, and press OK. We made this, and now we need to create this cut. So to create this cut, we need to create a circle in this face or in the back face with 20 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters, and this circle is in the center of this part. Okay, so go to create a sketch, and here I will select this face, and now select this circle, make a circle here, and go to dimension. The diameter here is 20 millimeters, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint is 55 millimeters. And now leave the sketch. We need to cut here. To cut, we use the feature pocket, and the dip here is 25 millimeters, and press OK. And that's it. So here we finish our first exercise in CATIA V5. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.